Introducing Aura Saifu, the first of its kind, all-in-one solution for your asset storage, transaction, and recovery. No more hassles from the outdated wallets. The Aura Saifu allows you safely store all your cards, cryptocurrencies, even the membership card from your local store in one place. Everything is organized and accessible at your fingertips. You can use the Aura Saifu to pay for everything. Store all your cryptos, unlock your door, even use it to exchange name cards, all with this simple but amazing hardware. Billions of dollars asset got hacked and stolen every year. You should worry about yours as well. Aura Saifu is the first hardware on Earth using both TEE and SE technology to ensure 100% security over your asset storage and payments. For cryptocurrency users, you can use Aura Saifu as a cold wallet. Unlike traditional cold wallet using USB port for data transfer, Aura Saifu uses NFC and dynamic QR code technology, which is totally off the grid. You can have full control of your crypto asset and make peer-to-peer transaction anywhere you want. Traditional credit cards and cryptos apps are still hackable when they got lost or stolen, but not with Aura Saifu. Aura Saifu wallet will self-erase your key information after 5 passwords fail attempts. Your data will never be passed to the wrong hands. What about data recovery, you might ask? Introducing BPAL, the NFC-enabled backup chip for Aura Saifu. This one-tap recovery solution provides an effortless way to recover your data. For crypto users, the BPAL can also replace the mnemonic words in a more secure and reliable way. We believe a wallet should not only be functional, but also be artistic. The Aura Saifu has a 4-inch Retina Sapphire display with a screen-to-body ratio of 83.8%. It has gone through 45 steps of polish and multi-layer coating. The body is designed to fit for palm. We are a company formed by scientists and top developers specialized in payment security and digital asset security. We are 100% confident about this product, and we are ready on every perspective from software to hardware. We just need your help to bring this project to the public. So join us today to create the future of payment.